Good morning. How did you sleep last night?
I slept very well. Thank you, and I feel refreshed today.
Did you have breakfast already?
Yes, I had some eggs, bread, and tea this morning at home.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good today because the weather is very pleasant outside.
Are you busy with work right now?
Yes, I'm finishing some reports, but I can talk with you.
Did you enjoy your weekend?
Yes, I enjoyed it very much. I spent time with my family.
How's your health these days?
I'm healthy now. I've been exercising regularly and eating healthier meals.
Did you see the sunrise today?
Yes, I saw it from my balcony, and it was truly beautiful.
How was your journey to work today?
It was smooth today because the traffic was light and the roads were clear.
Did you meet anyone interesting yesterday?
Yes, I met an old friend, and we had a long conversation.
How's your family doing?
They are doing fine. Thank you, and everyone is healthy and happy.
Did you drink enough water today?
Yes, I've been trying to drink more water, and I feel better.
How was your evening yesterday?
It was very relaxing. I read a book and watched some television.
Did you take a walk this morning?
Yes, I walked in the park, and the fresh air was wonderful.
How are things going at your workplace?
Things are going smoothly, and I am managing my tasks quite well.
Did you watch the news today?
Yes, I watched it briefly, and there were some interesting updates about events.
Are you feeling energetic today?
Yes, I feel energetic because I slept early and had good rest.
Did you call your parents this week?
Yes, I called them yesterday, and we had a very nice talk.
How's the weather outside right now?
The weather is cool and sunny, which makes the day very comfortable.
Did you prepare your lunch already?
Yes, I prepared it earlier, and I packed some rice and vegetables.
How's your new project going?
The project is moving forward well, and I am satisfied with the progress.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept peacefully through the night, and I woke up feeling fully rested and energetic.
How's your morning so far?
My morning has been really productive because I managed to complete several important tasks already.
Did you exercise today?
Yes, I exercised for half an hour this morning, and it gave me great positive energy.
How was your breakfast today?
My breakfast was delicious because I had oatmeal, fruit, and a strong cup of coffee.
Did you have a peaceful weekend?
Yes, my weekend was peaceful, and I enjoyed spending quiet time reading and relaxing at home.
How's your day going so far?
My day is going smoothly. I managed my schedule carefully, and everything feels very organized.
Did you talk to any friends recently?
Yes, I spoke with my best friend yesterday evening, and we shared many funny old memories.
How are you feeling emotionally today?
Emotionally, I feel calm and balanced, mainly because I started the day with meditation exercises.
Did you manage to finish your work yesterday?
Yes, I finished my work before the deadline, and it gave me a big sense of relief.
How's your week starting?
My week is starting positively because I planned my schedule ahead and everything feels under control.
Did you go outside this morning?
Yes, I went for a short walk outside, and the fresh air really brightened my mood.
How's your appetite today?
My appetite is good today, and I am planning to eat healthier meals with vegetables and fruits.
Did you have any challenges yesterday?
Yes, I faced a few small challenges, but I managed them calmly and effectively without much stress.
How's your mood this morning?
My mood is very cheerful today because I received good news from my family this morning.
Did you enjoy your dinner yesterday?
Yes, my dinner was wonderful because I tried a new recipe, and it turned out very tasty.
How's your workload today?
My workload is heavy today, but I am handling it step by step with careful planning.
Did you spend time with family yesterday?
Yes, I spent a lovely evening with my family, and we shared dinner and many conversations.
How's the traffic when you came today?
The traffic was a little heavy this morning, but I left early, so it wasn't very stressful.
Did you see something interesting today?
Yes, I saw a beautiful rainbow while walking, and it completely changed my mood for better.
How's your overall energy today?
My energy feels very high today, probably because I slept early and exercised before breakfast.
How are you feeling this beautiful morning today?
I'm feeling very happy this morning because the sunlight is bright and the weather feels refreshing.
Did you manage to eat a healthy breakfast today?
Yes, I had scrambled eggs, fresh fruit, and warm tea, which made me feel energized immediately.
How is your work progress going this busy week?
My work is moving forward well because I organized my schedule carefully and avoided unnecessary distractions.
Did you enjoy your walk outside this early morning?
Yes, I enjoyed the walk very much, and I felt calm while listening to birds singing.
How are you planning to spend your evening today?
I'm planning to spend my evening reading a good book and relaxing quietly in my room.
Did you finish the tasks you had yesterday evening?
Yes, I managed to complete all my tasks, and I felt very accomplished afterward.
How is your family feeling these days at home?
They're all healthy and doing well, which makes me feel relaxed and very thankful.
Did you sleep early last night as you planned?
Yes, I went to bed early last night, and I woke up very refreshed today.
How are you enjoying the sunny weather today outside?
I'm enjoying the sunny weather because it brightens my mood and makes me feel very alive.
Did you talk with your close friend yesterday afternoon?
Yes, I talked with him yesterday, and we laughed a lot about our old experiences.
How are you feeling about your new project today?
I'm feeling very positive because I've already made good progress and received encouraging feedback.
Did you manage to call your parents last night?
Yes, I called them last night, and we spoke for a long, heartwarming conversation together.
How is your mood this bright morning so far, T?
My mood is cheerful this morning because I started my day with music and fresh coffee.
Did you go jogging around your neighborhood this morning?
Yes, I went jogging for 30 minutes and it gave me a lot of energy.
How are you planning to spend your upcoming weekend?
I'm planning to relax at home, spend time with family, and maybe watch some movies.
Did you read something interesting before going to bed?
Yes, I read a fascinating article about technology and it really expanded my perspective yesterday.
How are you finding the atmosphere at your workplace today?
The atmosphere is calm and supportive, and everyone seems focused on their important tasks today.
Did you enjoy the dinner you had yesterday evening?
Yes, the dinner was very delicious because I tried a new recipe that turned out perfect.
How are you preparing yourself for the challenges this week?
I'm preparing by planning carefully, staying organized, and keeping a positive mindset to overcome difficulties.
Did you enjoy your quiet time yesterday before sleeping?
Yes, I enjoyed it very much because I listened to music and reflected on my thoughts.